Bye.
You.
You guys on glass?
No, only because I want to let the process sort of take the mask with it. Because it's really good.
T1, I'm at 1-2.
Up on glass? Yep. Can I get somebody else? Oh, you guys up on glass?
I have two.
I have 4.
I have 1 and 2.
Alright, I'm gonna hold that on.
Good box. Good box.
What was your call? Win?
Dead hold. 3, 4, 5.
Good box.
Did you get 2 impacts?
I'll get 1.
Okay.
Good box. Good box.
Same win?
Yep, same win.
Good box.
1, 2, 3.
Good box. Good box.
I'm 4 tenths left.
4 tenths left.
Yep.
Good box. Good box. Good box.
4 tenths left.
Good box.
Nice.
58 seconds.